Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by making the skin receptive. Cleanse and pat dry, then lightly moisturize so products blend instead of catching on flakes. Once done, assess the hue. Deep purple needs yellow peach, fresh red benefits from green-tinted corrector. Using a small brush or clean fingertip, tap a very thin layer of corrector only onto the darkest center. You want to neutralize, not hide. Make sure to blur the edges outward, so the transition reads natural beneath foundation. Now you lock the corrector with foundation. Choose a full coverage or long wear formula close to your skin tone and press it on. Do not drag, so the neutralized area stays in place. Once done, use a damp sponge or stippling brush to bounce product outward, blending feathered edges into surrounding skin. If more opacity is needed, apply another thin layer where needed. This layered approach prevents cakiness and keeps texture natural while maintaining coverage. Finish by setting. Lightly press translucent or skin tone powder to stop transfer and extend wear. If a tiny spot still shows through, dot a matching concealer and press to blend. Avoid heavy strokes that lift product. If shine returns, blot then reapply a whisper of powder. Troubleshooting. If the hue returns, switch corrector shade one step warmer or cooler. If product flakes, reduce layers and increase moisturizer beforehand so everything sits smoothly on the skin.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.